show you how to set up CryptoPrevent White-Label. This is entirely for your tech shops and MSPs and other IT solution providers who want to distribute CryptoPrevent to their customers, but keep it branded with your company name and logo on it. First, you'll start by downloading the CryptoPrevent branded .zip from my website. And inside you have a config.bat and CryptoPrevent itself. Just run the config.bat. This will give you the main configuration interface. The first thing you want to do is enter in your company name, and of course a product key wouldn't hurt. That would be required. Next, you'll decide if you want to have a start menu URL. And if you do, that's great. Just put it in there. Just don't use http://. Next, you'll want to add a start menu shortcut for whitelisting options. That's entirely up to you. If you want the customer to have quick access to be able to whitelist items, I guess most customers that will be above their pay grade, but you may want the shortcut on there for your own purposes. I don't know. That's up to you. Next, we can import a BMP logo. Now, it must be a bitmap. I have one on the desktop that I'll import. And when I import the logo, you see all it does is copy the logo to this directory and name it applogo.bmp. So if for some reason the import button doesn't work, you can just copy your logo here and name it to applogo.bmp. The same thing goes for a custom icon. It will be created as applogo.ico. I don't have a custom icon, so I'm not going to show you that. And you can test the logo, and it will appear on the screen for about the amount of time it will appear to the customer when they apply the prevention. Next, in the middle, you can whitelist specific executables. You can add them manually, or you can browse. And if we browse, you'll need to go to App Data. And actually, this will be a lot easier. And select an executable. Notice app data or the directory path is not in front of the executable name. It's just the executable name here. This will whitelist that executable in app data only. If you have an executable in a subfolder of app data that needs whitelisting, note that when you add that, the subfolder is appearing there, then the slash, then the app name. But still, the app data folder path is not there. Just the subfolder path and then the executable name. If you do not follow this format, your executables will not be whitelisted. Finally, we have CryptoLocker prevention mechanism. Do you want to apply the protection to app data and local app data? Of course you do. Do you want to apply it to temporary extracted executable files? These are executable files that are extracted from archives if, for example, a customer runs double clicks on an executable file inside a zip file, for example. This is something that you may or may not want to enable. That I'm just going to leave up to you because there's pros and cons to that. And then finally, we have whitelist executables already located in app data in first level subdirectories. This will actually scan the system and whitelist any executables in there already. So you don't want to use that option on an infected machine, of course, but on a clean machine, you definitely want to use that option. And at this point, just click the Save button. Now we have a couple new files in the directory here. We have an INI file which contains the settings, and we have the whitelist file, which, if you will see, just contains each executable on a new line. Now, at this point, you want to download Eno Setup. You click the download button. You will see a little download box. It will install automatically and then tell you it's installed. Great. Next, we'll create the custom installer. Okay, And now you should have CryptoPreventSetup.exe on your desktop. With that there, you're all done and you're ready to deploy. To deploy it on a machine, just run it. You can apply CryptoLocker prevention. It's already applied on my machine, but I'll reapply it and you'll see the splash screen. And now we're asked if we want to restart, and I'm not going to do that just to save a minute. If you click on your start button now and go to all programs, you'll have test company, which was the name of your company. And then you'll have a subfolder under that called CryptoLocker Prevention with the options specified. You have apply, test, undo, and then the optional whitelist option, which gives you that whitelist dialog, allowing customers to whitelist their own executables. That's entirely up to you to decide if you want. And finally, of course, you have your website. So that should do it for this video. I hope it's been informative, and if you need any assistance with this, give me an email at foolishtech@foolishit.com. Stop by the website and visit the Crypto Prevent page for all the latest information. Thanks for